Hello and welcome back to another video of my Honda Cafe Racer. It's been a very long time since I've posted a video. It didn't seem to get too many views, so I just stopped taking videos, and I've been working on the bike as and when I could. So at this point in time, it's pretty much done. It starts and it rides. I've painted the frame. The back end of the bike seems to fit okay. The seat doesn't fit it quite perfectly, but it will have to do for now. There's still quite a bit of work to be done on it. I need to hide the cables. You can see there the cable that goes to the battery. The battery is hidden down there below the swing arm. The exhaust will need changing. The front forks need a bit of work. I don't have any mirrors on it, so I don't think it will pass an MOT. And there's a few other loose ends to finish up. The wheels haven't been cleaned or painted. The engine hasn't been cleaned or painted. But for now, at least it runs. I wanted to give an update because I know I haven't taken a video in a very long time. So for those of you that have been watching, here's how the bike looks like at the moment.